The ping today is beautiful. It says Ben plus Shrek equals Lubos is live for only $9.99. Shipping is not included.
Shipping not included. Oh hell yeah. That's what the fuck
Yes.
did I do? Okay. CD. Right. Live chat.
Absolutely nothing.
Absolute Zigma. What the fuck did I do? Why is this one the...
How would I delete all of them?
All of what? Alright. Yo, let's go.
Dude, what the hell is this boomer
No,
shit?
not Go. We aren't gonna use Go. Okay,
No,
we're using
okay,
Sig, Lucas.
Okay, bro. I'm still installing GCC. Like, bro, I've been installing this for the past like 3 hours or so. I don't know, really. It's just been taking a lot of time. I'm trying to install it so I can use
GCC?
Yeah, I have GCC 15, but I'm trying to use DaVinci Resolve, and I don't know, I find that I might need to use a lower version of GCC, so yeah, now we're here. I don't know, GCC...
Now we're here, and now
DaVinci Resolve ain't DaVinci Resolving, I'm telling you, bros. Anyways.
Yeah, it ain't resolving.
Nice to see your infinite coding, man. How are you? Ah, hello. Welcome back, Works Band. So, this is for 3rd month. Yo, 3rd month in a row. That's crazy, bro. How are you? How am I? I'm good. I'm good. How are you? Damn, that's crazy. And also the Twitch stream overlay works still. Good. I'm gonna do a hello test. A hello world. I can't spell. Just to see that the YouTube one also works. That should pop up in a few seconds. There it is. I'm coming from the buns. What? But yeah, we are doing good. We're doing good. We got some nice.
Oh, dude, you landed on him. I'm coming to come beat you guys' ass.
We are getting.
Oh, here I come.
Sure.
Yeah. Coming up behind y'all. Look at that.
I mean, we have been using SpacetimeDB for the multiplayer part, but now I'm like, should we just not do it? Because I'm thinking we have to be doing like physics simulations, and then it would just make more sense to actually use the same physics simulation that we do for the client.
No, he's cheating. How is he not taking any damage? The game's bugged, dude. Well, that's you.
Yeah,
dude, what? You're cheating.
Oh no,
now I'm getting ganged.
That's
Man,
crazy.
I don't consent.
But yeah, this is... I don't consent, I am. Yeah, I was thinking maybe we should do an upgrade. Oh, we could actually do this game using Sig and then actually make it like cool. These are the rules. Alright, there are some
rules. I think
rules.
you should do the intern project.
Intern project. Bruh. But I think like this renderer, we will have an epic renderer, like a library, and then we'll make an epic ECS, and then we'll make an epic server, and then we can just use these modules it's called, for future projects.
Modules.
It will just be easy to set up and run, you know? Like, that's gonna be so fucking sexy, I'm telling you, boys. I don't know. I'm the only one getting hard from thinking about programming.
Yeah, it's only you, man. It's only you.
Right.
Well, I don't. You know, I only do that if I look at beautiful Sig code. Not
Look at this
code.
beautiful. Okay.
Hmm.
Let's see.
No, the most beautiful code that I've ever seen is actually my ECS, and then it's Banano.
Banano. Okay. Setting up the descriptor layout. We're still gonna be needing to do this anyways, so I'm like this descriptor sets and layouts. So let's just go for that. Pipeline. We need to create a
Banano.
Oh, Banano. Next we will have a layout statement that defines the workgroup size. As explained in the article before, when executing compute shaders, they will get executed in groups of n lanes threads. We are specifying size default, which means that the shader, each group will be 16 lane. Okay, this is just compute shaders, but it's still interesting to read about. Next layout statement is for the shader input through descriptor sets. We are setting a single image 2D as set to 0 and binding 0 with that set with Vulkan. Each descriptor set can have a number of bindings, which are things to bound to the yeah blah blah. I know that. The shader code is very simple dummy shader, yep. Anytime you touch the shader, make sure to compile the shader's target from the build, and if you add new files, you must reconfigure the CMake. This process has to succeed, no errors, or the project will... Well, this is not for us. Setting up the descriptor layout.
Allocator.
To build a compute pipeline, we need to create its layout. In this case, the layout will only contain a single descriptor set. Set that...
My name is Lucas. I do Lucas things with my fellow Lucas friends.
I do Lucas things, you know, the crazy stuff. Set that then has the image as its binding 0. To build a descriptor layout, we need to store an array of bindings. Let's create structure to abstract this so that handling those is simpler. Our descriptor abstraction will go into... I think we should have like VK descriptors as well, but let's see. What do? They have like an array of all of the bindings, which is okay, and then the add binding, and then we just have a... Is it a builder for this? What else do? They will storing VK descriptors that binding as a configuration info struct into an array, and then have a build function which creates the... actually, this is one thing that I loved about... I think I did it for the first Vulkan project that I did C++. Having a builder for descriptor sets and the layouts or the bindings. That was actually pretty nice.
Yeah. We can do that in Sig. Super easy. Compile time.
Yeah, and that's why we love Sig now. Which is Vulkan object, not info config structure. Yeah, so here they store all of the... Okay, so they store all of the bindings here. Or the set... Wait, what? Sorry. Yeah. Let's see, let's write a function for that builder. Okay, so here they have the builder. Add binding. Yeah, okay. Type binding. New binding. Clear. Buildings field. Bindings clear. Bruh. Okay. First we have an add binding function that will just write and push it into the array. When creating a layout binding, for now we only need to know the binding number and the descriptor type, which sample of the compute shader above, that's binding 0, and type, which is writable image. Next is creating the layout itself. Okay, let's see, what do they do? Next. Okay. 4 bindings. Stage flags, create set layout. Structure, create info, P next. Binding data. Wait, bindings data? Where's the bindings coming from? Oh, is it just a... No.
Precisely.
Bro, what the fuck is this? Ah, okay. Okay. And then bindings count, binding size. Okay. And then descriptor set and return set. Looping through the bindings and adding the stage flags for each of the descriptor bindings within a descriptor set. They can be different between the fragment shaders and vertex shader. We want to support per binding stage flags, and instead force it to be for the whole descriptor set. Wait, what? Why? We want support per binding stage flags, and instead force it to be for the whole descriptor set. Well, whatever. Next we need to build vegan layout create info, which we don't do much, which just hook it into the array of descriptor bindings we then call and return layout. Descriptor allocator. Okay, here now this is did you have to have one per frame, or could you use the same for all? I don't remember. With the layout we can now allocate the descriptor sets. Let's also write an allocator struct that will abstract it so that we can keep using it through the code base. So they have this descriptor allocator with a pool size, we get descriptor type, ratio, pool, init, max sets, span. And what is this init pool? Clear descriptor. Oh, that's just, oh, okay. That's the function. Returns void. Takes in the device, max sets, and then a span pool size ratio. I'm still not confused about the pool size ratio. Clear descriptors, destroy pool, we can descriptor set allocate. Okay. Happens through descriptor pool. Those are objects that need to be initialized with some size and types descriptor for it. Think of it like a memory allocator for some specific descriptors. It's possible to have one very big descriptor pool that handles the entire engine. But that means we need to know what descriptor we'll be using for everything ahead of time. That can be very tricky to do at scale. Instead, we will keep it simpler. We will have multiple descriptor pools for different parts of the project and try to move accurate with them. Okay. One very important thing to do with pools is that when you reset the pool, it destroys all of the descriptors that's allocated from it. This is very useful for things like per frame descriptors. That way we can have descriptors that are used for just one frame allocated dynamically, and then before we start the frame we completely delete all of them in one go. This is confirmed to be the fast path by GPU vendors and recommended to use when you need to handle per frame descriptor sets. But so you don't need to get that memory somehow then, because that sounds like memory wise very inefficient. I don't know, but I don't know, like maybe it's still, I don't know. Descriptor
Yes, it is.
Descriptor allocator we have just declared has a function to initialize the pool, clear the pool, and allocate descriptor set from it. Okay, and here let's write the code. So here you have the descriptor allocate, you take in the device, the maximum set, and some span pool size ratio. And then here you go to pool sizes, you go through each of these, you take pool size, push back, we push back a pool with a ratio type, and descriptor count ratio multiplied by max set. Okay. Pool ratios. Okay, I'm a little bit unsure about how this comes together. Pool create info, and then create the pool. And then there's just these things. We had to create a destruct function. You dead? Bro, we were literally just talking. How is this possible? Hello? Hello? Now you should hear me, right?
Hello.
Ah, that's crazy. Anyways, to initialize the pool, we use
Yeah, you
here-
lied.
Yeah. Create the pool and give it an array pool size ratio that contains a type of descriptor, same VK descriptor type as on the bindings above. Alongside ratio to multiply the max sets parameter is. This lets us directly control how big the pool is going to be. Max sets control how many VK descriptor sets we can create from pool in total, and the pool size give how many individual bindings of a given type owned, and the pool size give individual bindings of a given type are owned. I think this is also one point where I'm a little bit lost when it comes to Vulkan, is the descriptor sets and layouts. Not the actual binding with the shaders, but the creation of the pool. The pool. That's... I'm a bit lost on. Whoa, why is it spinning all of a sudden?
It's spinning, spinning, spawn, spinning, spawn.
we need
What?
Omi in here.
Omni. Yeah, we need
Omni.
lights.
Yes.
Let there be light.
He would explain to me why I'm stupid.
Well, do you need that explained?
Like the pool, the descriptor layout pool. Like, I'm a bit unsure.
Pools, those things at the bathhouse? Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Like, I know what a pool is, but I'm still unsure about the whole. Like, why is there a pool of them? Like, why is there a pool? That's what I'm not. Isn't like you have
Precisely.
Well, I guess you have dedicated. Kind of like for when you want to draw something, you need that dedicated memory on the GPU for the descriptors.
Dedicated WAM.
Yeah, dedicated WAM, so that it can have information to put into the shaders, right? But still a bit unsure about how all of that comes together. Yeah. Now we need the last function, descriptor allocate. Here it is. Wow, thank you. We need to fill the well, damn. This is the descriptor pool. We will allocate from many descriptor sets to allocate and set layout. Initiate layout and descriptor. Let's add a new function, Vulkan engine, so some new members will use. Global descriptor. Ah, this looks familiar. And then draw descriptor and draw image descriptor. This is okay. This I can understand, but what the fuck? We'll be storing one of those descriptor allocators in our engine as the global allocator. Then we'll need to. Okay, that's the global descriptor allocator. Okay, that's a bit weird. Okay, sure, why not? Then we need to store the descriptor set that will bind our render image, and then the descriptor layout for the type of descriptor, which we will need later for creating the pipeline. Remember to add init descriptor function to the init function of the engine after the sync structures. Well, we don't even have a sync structures. We can begin with writing function init descriptors. It goes through all of these, and let's see. ST vector allocator pool size ratio size VK descriptors type storage image. Global descriptor init pool device 10 size, and then it just gives that. Okay. Make the descriptor set layout for our compute draw. And then they take the builder, add bindings, and then draw image layout, builder build, and then they just compute bit, yeah.
Bob the builder.
Bob the builder. We first will initialize the descriptor allocator with 10 sets. Okay, 10 sets, and we one descriptor per set of type. That was also with AmGUI. I think it needed like 1,000 or 100 like different kinds of stuff. I was like, what the fuck, so many? But I think that's actually more normal. But I don't know. I'm like always just trying to put precisely the amount that I'm going to need, and then it's like, yeah, just a few tens or something like that, you know. Fucking crazy.
Aye.
Yeah. Yeah, it's yeah. And one descriptor per set of type. Storage image. That type used for image that can be written to from a compute shader. Okay. Then we use the layout builder to build the descriptor set layout we need, which is a layout with only one single binding at the binding number 0 of type VK descriptor set store storage image to matching the pool. With this, we will be able to allocate up to 10 descriptors of this type for use with the compute drawing. We continue the function by allocating one of them and drawing it so that it points to draw image. What happened to the music? Anyways,
It
dead. You need descriptors. And then here you take the global allocator, allocate. And then you have the descriptor. Here, descriptor for image info. Okay. Yeah, binding 0. Okay. Ah, wait, let me try. So if I go to Vulkan, and then fuck it, doesn't really matter where I do it, because I just want to try something. Or test. Oh, I can't call it test. VK. No, I'd have to have c.vk. And then I can do descriptor binding. Let's see, I'm trying to find. Descriptor image info, but why is there? Shouldn't be a. Oh, it's just descriptor sets. That's just something completely different. Where does this thing go then? Image info. It goes here. Ah. Okay, now I'm starting to see it. Okay. Maybe, we'll see. Update descriptor sets. Okay. Update descriptor sets. Yeah. Okay. We will allocate descriptor sets object with the help of the allocator of the draw image layer, which we create above. Then we need to update all that descriptor set with our draw image. To do that, we need to use the pk update descriptor function, the function that takes an array, pk write descriptor set, updates to perform. We create a single write which points to binding 0 on the. Okay, this is pretty. With that done, we now have the descriptor set. Okay, to compute pipeline. Or to the compute, whatever. With the descriptor set layout, we now have a way of creating the pipeline layout. There is one last thing we have to do before creating the pipeline, which is to load the shader code to the driver. In Vulkan pipelines, to set the shader, you need to build VK shader module. We are going to add function to load shader module, file path, the device, and then the if stream, and then they just and that's just, we can still use what we used before. With this function, we will first load the file into blah blah blah. It just explains it. Back to Vulkan engine. Let's add the new member. We will need init pipeline alongside. Okay, so gradient pipeline. Okay, that's interesting. I think this is maybe just too specific for compute shaders, but okay. Yep. And yeah, okay. Well, I guess that's not too much extra work for just seeing that result, so I guess we can still do it. This other stuff will be quite generic either way, so. I guess we'll we'll go for it. Should I just call it shaders and put everything, all of the descriptor stuff inside of that?
If you're gay.
What?
Fuck. Alright.
That's it. I'm finishing Shrek.
Without
Stream,
us.
please. Stream.
Hey,
Stream.
you cannot do
Stream,
this.
stream.
Yo, this is a crime. You
Then
cannot. I wanna
stream
watch
it.
Shrek too, bro.
I'm too busy and
What? Stream it. Do not redeem it.
watching Shrek.
Do not redeem the card! What? Do not redeem the card! Yes, I'm redeeming.
Yes, I'm redeeming the card. We're probably just gonna go with the same idea that they. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. All right, and then we're gonna take. Same. We're gonna have. Probably gonna need this, and we're also gonna have to use Vulkan inside of this thing, bro. What else do we need? I think that's pretty much what we will be using in here. But should we call it a builder still?
Bob the Builder. What the fuck?
I don't think we should call it
Missing
a
out,
builder.
Harold.
I think we should call it Bob Builder.
I mean, should we even have a builder? That's what I'm.
Don't
trying.
have builders, bro. Like builders in Sig are hella like that's on object-oriented garbage.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Unless if it makes a lot of sense, but I don't think it's gonna make a lot of sense. You know?
It really doesn't.
Yeah, exactly.
Missing out. Missing out.
Shut your ass.
Might as well just listen to it in the background.
Does yeah get copyrighted?
Yeah.
But yeah, we won't be using this builder stuff. Instead, you will have to pass in something to... We'll see. I will try to replicate as good as I can.
Damn, she's an ogre too?
Yeah.
Hey, don't
Didn't you
spoil
know?
it, bro.
What?
What?
Bro, who hasn't watched Shrek at this point?
Blah.
Blah.
I guess I will do this.
Bang,
And I will find
bang,
out how I connect them.
bang, 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 bang.
Okay, so this just add bindings and it adds one to that list, which contains what did that blah. It was an STD vector,
Blah.
right? I mean, we could replicate it with a queue, pretty much.
We love queues.
Yes, but I don't think we need. This is where
We
it's,
definitely need.
but this is also just a builder
Well,
struct. I think I'm mixing them up a little bit. We'll see. We'll see.
Don't have builders.
I will take this as reference to over here, and then we'll get to it when we see how they connect.
Builders are illegal. Please do not use them.
Yeah, I won't. And this is the actual build one, so I will take it also from here, put it in here. And then here they do a struct allocator for this. Okay, let's see. This will be a separate struct. Like so, and we are public.
And she's about to cook this bird.
Oh man,
Yeah,
I would like a cooked bird.
A bird? What?
Allocator. This is such a weird way of
Later allocator.
doing this whole thing, to be honest. Like, what the fuck are they doing? This is some OP garbage.
It sure is.
It sure is. I
It
would go backwards. I would reverse engineer what the fuck they're doing. Like, what the fuck? That shouldn't be invalid. What am I doing wrong? That should be fine. Oh, it's whatever. I will just see what they do and where they call the things, and then I can make up my mind about how they should work. This, bam, and
That's what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make eggs.
Eggs?
Allocator, allocate.
Oh. Crazy.
Or I should actually look at something else, maybe. I would like the nice system for the actual
No, you wouldn't.
for the descriptors. This I can take to over here. We have the, let's see, here's the instance.
Damn it, you're not even watching, Harold.
What do you mean not there? Oh, you're streaming? Wait, what?
Dude, I've been.
Oh, I didn't notice.
Put it here. Okay, so they have different kinds of allocators. That's the point of this?
Yes.
Okay, that's interesting. And then they have the descriptor set. Is this like the actual? I think this is the actual Vulkan stuff. Hmm. Then I might not have it here. Because I'm not gonna have access to raw Vulkan calls inside of this place, this file. Because if it's actual, bruh. Well, I could just make the shader struct keep track of it. That just sounds stupid. Maybe just descriptors. Descriptor pool. Maybe that's the best name. I will rename it to descriptors. Yeah. Descriptors. And that will be an actual like struct. And this thing, I mean,
God.
this thing can keep track of this.
What the heck?
That's completely valid. Like so. And then we can just say f init return at this. And we will say return. Should have an. It will be for this right that for now like that. And then we will have that, yes, but now this is fine. This one we can take to the renderer. So we can go in here. Or actually Vulkan. Put it in here. Pub const. And then I will just say the script. Script. Can I spell? Scriptor. And it will be equal to that import descriptors.sig. Maybe it should just be called descriptor actually. Like so. And then we have this one in here. And then we can go back to the renderer inside here, and then here we can have a this descriptor, and that will be a vkdl, yes, descriptor, like so. Maybe, yeah. And that will just have all of the descriptor stuff. Then of course in here we cannot just let it be empty. We'll have to, doesn't matter. We'll take this down here. And that's it's proper. Now we're actually on this task, so that's really nice. We can put it here. Const descriptor is a vkbl descriptor equals try dot init. It's gonna be a little bit of errors for now, but that's fine. And then in here we can just here dot descriptor is equal to descriptor. Bam. What else? I think that's pretty much it. Let's see. Yep, init descriptors. Now we can begin writing functions. So They create the vectors. Okay, but this is the actual init, and now I can start writing backwards. Because now I can start to see what the fuck is actually going on. What do we need here? So I will actually just take this logic, like so. And what do they do in here? They pass multiple ones. So I could literally just... I don't know if I need it to be any more dynamic than just... I could just say const. I don't like the word pool ratio, but I don't know what it's supposed to represent either. Pool. So we will go with it. And this is a C. No, this is actually... What the fuck is that? Yeah, I took the wrong thing. Like, that doesn't look anything close to right. Oh wait, this is just the descriptor allocator. What the fuck? So it's this thing. Ugh. Okay. And why do we want that? In here they just create those things, and they initialize that with this. And then they have the global and initialize the pool with the sizes. And in that case, I'm not really sure. Why would you? I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna take it out. Not sure that we need this, but I still like this idea. Oh, I'm like, it can't possibly know what I'm talking about here, and it doesn't. It's just yes, they can be const. Pool size ratio.
Bless you.
Oh well, thank you. Harold, how did I get so I could actually use type? Was it at and then quotes to make it called type? So it's not. So it doesn't think it's a type, but actually like just name type.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. Ratio. This is just an F32. Why is it? Is it actually? Okay. Like so. And then we can just do it up here as well.
What the hell are you trying to do?
Don't question it, bro. I'm
going back to Shrek.
I'm trying to figure out what they are trying to do, and then I'm trying to rewrite that to Sig. You know what I'm saying?
Maybe read the code first and then rewrite it to Sig.
I read it, but I still didn't. I'm just gonna try to implement it. I prefer that. How do I get I want an array of these things. How do I initialize an array here?
You want an array of what? Oh, you do at sorry, ampersand dot
Ampersand.
after the equals.
After the
No,
equals.
no, after the equals. Yes, and then you can do dot before this thing. So it's dot curly brace, you know. Yeah, and bam.
Oh, that's crazy.
Now, C can just pass in fields, but you might have to specify what field things are. So inside of these curly braces here, do dot. Okay, well, doesn't really give you LSP, but it's fine.
Do I also need to use the ampersand here, or does it understand?
Yeah. Oh, you need 10%.
I mean that.
Yeah, I knew what you meant.
Right. Maybe it's not the best name, but I don't know what else to put it, because it's literally just... I could maybe say descriptor type, just to be... So we don't have to use the at here all the time.
Also, you know... What? No, just... What are you gonna name it? Descriptor type? Okay.
Yeah.
Also, you know that's not how you make a structure. Okay, it's not even close.
It was pretty close.
No.
Now it's good.
Do you even know how to make fields though?
Isn't this how you do it? Bruh.
How has bro forgotten how to make fields? Die!
Shut up.
Also, it's comma after the like don't have semicolons after fields, you have comma.
That's because I'm just translating it from C++, alright?
Sure.
Yeah. Alright. This thing then kind of like makes maybe sense. And I'm not sure like why would you want to have a global this thing and just like screw allocator, like why would you do that? Not sure on that, to be honest. Why not just let it be here? Just run it. I think I will do that, and then if it comes down later, then I will, you know, make it separated. But right now it doesn't make sense. I will just be like, there's the init pool. Like it's literally just the init for the whole descriptor at the moment. So why jump around so much? Yeah. Let's see. Is this the whole thing for it? No, this is the whole thing. All right. Then they go through a for loop, they push back off the pool. They put the ratio. Okay, they just call it the ratio and then they take the type out of it, put it equal to. Why? Why not just... Oh, this one feels like a complete overkill for this. I'm just not gonna... Okay, I guess for this, because you take the descriptor count, you take the ratio, and you multiply that by max set. And then you do a cast. Bro, what the fuck am I reading?
What are you reading?
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it like that. Fuck that shit. Instead, what I will do is, what do I need? I just need to literally, I'm just gonna do this. Literally. I'm just gonna do this. Right? I'm gonna have an array of these. Like so. And it's gonna be a C dot descriptor pool size. And then we can also just take it quickly here. Const tmp c this equal to undefined. But this is more just to see like the syntax. So they want the type and then the descriptor count. Well, this is gonna be easy. Just to also help us in the future. Wait, what the fuck am I doing? I'm just gonna say const max. What do they call it? Max something. Max sets. Yeah, max sets. Just to help. And we're gonna do it even I32. And then what we can do here is that we multiply this by max sets. And it will have the same idea. And then you can see also here that it's gonna be the type and then the max count in there. Boom, that's basically this thing, just the same. So far. That's freaking crazy. And then, well, they let me early and I am finally home. Damn, welcome home, I guess. Even though that's not here, but welcome to your home. Now my tea is getting cold. No, I'm gonna get some more tea. It's yeah, okay. Then it's to the actual create info pool. I mean, I guess I could rename this section to just be the pool. Well, I don't know really, like yeah. Oh, this needs to be a var. And then we're gonna do c.this and why? Yeah, because there's so many other things that are wrong here right now. Okay, bruh. Okay, whatever. If it's... I'm just gonna do guesswork then. It's fine. I want this down there, and then I want to take these ones up there. And then I want to do this, that, boom, bam. And then we can use... Is that correct? Because you do it for each and every one of these, you do the max set now. Feels a bit odd, but that's what they do in here. Take the max set and they just... Okay, whatever. See that, we're gonna do that. Then here, we're just gonna be using the same thing, but from here. And we're gonna do... Well, we shouldn't maybe call it that anymore. What do they call pool sizes? Pools. I'm just gonna call it pools. Descriptor pools. And descriptor pool size. It's actually called descriptor pool size. Sure. That's how it's script. I don't know how to spell descriptor, bro. Desc. Pool size. And then we're just gonna take this. .len. Then it wants the data, and that's pool sizes. Maybe that could be a better name. Then we pass that in, and then we will have to change this to a quick var. And then C, and we will have to take in the device to the init. Bro, what the fuck am I doing? And that will raise a lot of question marks, but that's okay. vk.this, and then we can take just the device in. We'll say vk.device device pointer, and here we can just go to C, and then that will pass the pool info, we'll pass in the null for allocator, and then the actual, what is this? pointed to the descriptor pool. Well, now we don't have it. And this is something we probably will put in return because this one we need to store. So, but that I feel like they should actually have here. Wait, am I retarded? Pool. Yeah, there they have it. So it's this thing. Yes, pool is a fine name. vk.c. Bruh. Undefined. Bam. And then what do they make the descriptor set layout for the output compute draw? They have the builder, they add bindings and draw build. And here now they store this thing. Okay, so now this is starting to make a little bit of sense. I guess, does it make sense? What does this thing, you have like, yeah, we want to probably use that. And let's see. Why do they create? Okay, we are not gonna use that. But we are gonna have, this is, bro. Oh my god, this is stupid. Okay, now I see. Well, you know, you could have something that just adds, but at the same time, just thinking that we can probably just create them. Why not? And yeah, we won't need that. And let's see. Here they have descriptors, layout. They add the binding. They do all of these things. And then they build it. We'll just take this and just put it straight in there, like, bruh. Fucking OOP, I swear. But this one we actually need to store though. So, we'll see here, we won't need this. That can also go by, but this we'll need. Just a different order. Call it var. vk.c equals to dot, and then we can take this.
My animal.
And then the binding will, that will be number 0 for now. Descriptor count 1. And the type is this. And then we can take, this is literally just gone. We're gonna have to remember that. And define initial, yeah, that makes sense. That should be, bruh. Is there anything else that should be? No? Okay. Then we don't care about that. And then there's the build. Don't. This I have to pay a little bit of attention to. I'm not sure. Bindings. Let's see, bindings, they're coming in from, okay, so for each of these bindings, B, shader stages. I also just add the shader stages that you want to use with this thing. Okay, that makes sense. Compute. See that. Just gonna do it manual for now. If I want to change that, I will change it. But right now, I just think it's not worth it. And especially the setup that they're doing, I'm not gonna do that. No. New bind. And then we can get rid of that. I'll change it down the line when I see the setup. Now I don't see it, but let's see. Then we want this. Okay. And this creates the set that we're trying to right now due to this draw image descriptor set. Don't know where we're gonna use it yet, so I could probably read info c.vk.thing descriptor set create info. Info. Ah, come on. And we will just do that. And then here we'll do this. And it doesn't understand that I want to run a new line. Or it's okay. And we'll do that. Then we'll take all of these, do that, boom. And this will actually be, yeah, another thing we'll have to return. We'll have to return the pool. Yes, okay. I will just call it the script pool, and that will be literally this. And then we'll have this script pool, and then we'll also keep track of this thing. Where does this thing come into the picture? Okay. Somewhere. Crazy. Ah, there. Or is it there? No, this is still in. We're still talking the units here. I have no idea, bruh. Anyways. Here. Now we'll just. We have this. That should probably also be a check, but that's okay. That's not for now. Instead, what we'll do is just create this thing. C.vk this, and we'll go bam, bam. Oh, bam, easy peasy. For now, we don't need a next. I think they just passed it null. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Oh. There, P next. So the
P next,
builder Phoenix.
Am I
looking at the wrong one? Oh, no. Builder. Bruh.
Fairy tales.
Alright, Damien is officially going crazy.
He was always crazy.
Nah,
I
that's
was crazy
crazy.
once.
Yeah, they locked you in a rubber room.
And
A
they
rubber
look
room filled with yourself.
Oh, full of rat
a rack.
No, full of yourself.
face. I'm a
Rat face?
believer. Out of my mind.
Now
Damn,
it's
don't
going.
get copywritten because I'm singing.
Yeah, bro.
I know it
That's
sounds so like the original.
yeah,
Yeah,
bro. That's. I'm getting scared now.
I bet you.
Yes, I am. I am.
Believer.
Oh, this has to be an array as well. Was it? Yes. We'll get to that in a bit. Let's see. So then I can pass this, and I can do .len on that, and then the flags. Well, that will be this thing. ek.c.that, and then this will be a var set ek.c this equals undefined, and then we can pass in null, and then we'll have, well, that's not the info, this is the info, and then we'll take the device, yes, and we can get rid of that as well. And let's see.
That was good.
Yes.
Pla?
What? I'm a little bit unsure. Wait, what? Draw image descriptors. Yeah, okay, this is this thing. There it is. And then they put it equal to the draw image set. Ah, damn. Let's see. Initial descriptors.
Wait, how does it go?
Yes.
How does it go again? Like,
The villager sound effect?
Hey.
Ah, this happens after here. Okay.
Yeah, how's it go? How's it go, Lucas?
It's okay. You know, drinking tea and that kind of stuff. Really sexy, right?
What? No, I meant how does the villager sound go? What the what?
What the what? Well, it was unclear. Got confused. Dick got stuck in ceiling. What?
What?
What? Yeah, but now we're talking about this thing, yes. This is so weird.
Or no, back.
And the naming is awful, but for now I'm just trying to connect the puzzle pieces. This looks still cleaner. I guess it's not that modular, but we'll make it more modular as we go, and I can see where things has to be modular. But like right now, I just need compute shaders, bro. All right. Global descriptor allocator. Allocate. Yeah, this is the thing I don't use. I'm not gonna do that. But I guess now it's. Nah. So, wait. I do have an allocate and a init. Bruh. What's the allocate do anyways? Here allocate, let's see. I don't need these things to figure that shit out. I can remove those. There's the init pool. Create pool. Here, allocate. What does it do? Well, that's completely pointless. I'll just take it like this. And then we'll just change it to our needs. Let's see. War alloc info descriptor set allocator, yes. vk.c these things, and then do that. vk.c, and then we'll go here. We'll take these ones when they're not there. Put those there, and what else? Then just let's renewal the pool. The pool. Is that literally just this pool? Yeah, descriptor pool. And then descriptor set count. And then layout. Descriptor set layout. But this is draw image layout. So this is a bit... Why? Oh, but it is the same thing. It's just, no. You know, it is the same. Yeah. And then descriptor set. We'll rename everything a bit. Probably just need to see that I actually understand where it's set up here. That will be fine. We'll not do a return yet. And then what do they do next here? Update descriptor sets. That just reminds me to do a D in it. More image info vk.c is equal to dot this, and this is just actually, now we're getting into actually doing these things I'm somewhat familiar with. Draw image view. Wait, what the? I don't have access to that in here. Well, I could pass it in, but that's now we're starting to get a little bit too. That data is so detached from this thing. So now I probably have these things in the wrong. Why is it spinning for me? Well, I have them probably in the wrong place right now. Because that is a completely detached thing from what this should be about. What I'm thinking.
You're detached.
I'm detached from reality, bro. What? Alright.
Yes.
vk.c. And then we'll take these. And I'm just... Ah, fuck. And let's go to the end. Do that. Alright. Beautiful. A lot of those VK struct has to get a little bit of a change, but that's okay. It's not called that anymore. Is there anything else I should be true? Yeah, I will have to be concerned. What the f... I'm happy. Wait, what? I have to tape plaster on legs. Damn. I'm happy I need someone and there's no girl. What? What? Those? What? You're happy and you need someone. All right. Let's see. Yeah, this thing. This is actually just the descriptor set that we just created here. And yeah, this will be a vk.c, and I will take all of those. We will soon go through everything here. And then here's just the destroy, which I will just create a D in it, and we'll take care of it. We will have to take care of self. That's how we spell self. Like this, and destroy pool. This makes sense in here, and we'll take it away. And then they had destroy. Let's see. They have the init pool and destroy pool, which is whole separate class and function just for this call. No, I cannot. I cannot. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then we will take in also the device here. Device, which will be a vk.device. And then the pool will, this thing will exist. That's this thing. That one we will have access to. Self, and then we'll pass null painter, yes. Null pointer, and this is the same thing. We'll have access from the self. This layout, yes. Do I have to destroy descriptor set? Wait, hold on. Why wouldn't I? Don't I have to destroy the descriptor set as well? That just destroys the pool. Wouldn't you have to, I would say you would have to also destroy the descriptor set. Or am I retarded? There is no... Wait, how do we actually... We allocate. We don't create. What was the opposite for then? They have their own thing, like vk descriptor set. Is it like free if you use allocate?
What? What are you trying to do?
If you have in Vulkan descriptor set, is it because you use vk allocate? Was it vk free if you want to free descriptor sets? That seems
We
about it.
could destroy, maybe?
No, destroy is for when you create.
Oh yeah, free descriptor set. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice.
But I'm not sure, but we'll see. What does it take?
It's probably that.
Device, the descriptor pool. Okay, this seems about right. And then the descriptor set count. Wait, device, the count, and then pointer to the descriptor sets. Yeah. So we'll pass device to C, and then we have to call this before we do that. They probably do some OP shenanigans somewhere else to destroy it. I swear to God. The command pool. So that we have access from the self. Wait, command pool? What did I say? Descriptor pool, bro. Please. Like, that doesn't sound right. Then the count. Well, that's funny because it's just gonna be 1 for the moment. Should probably not do it like that, but for now we're gonna go with it. And then a pointer to the descriptor. Layout. Isn't it that? Descriptor set. Yeah, well, for now, we're gonna rename the whole thing. It's fine. Yeah, we're gonna rename all of them anyways. Okay. Now I should have a free for them. Okay. And then we continue down. And then we have the load shader. Let's just fix that all of this is actually compiling. So this is gonna be a vk.c, vk.c.
Guys,
What?
I have done it.
What have you done? You have done something?
Right, message.
What?
I'm streaming. You can show it on the live if you want, I guess.
Alright, just a sec.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm still installing this stupid ass GCC 12.
Yeah,
Is
that's
it running? I have no idea, bro. This is some crazy shit. Anyways, I'm gonna put you on the stream.
Yes. Tell me when you're watching.
I'm watching. Oh, you have Banano.
Banano is presenting version 1.0. You see? Banano.
Mhm.
Hello. Oh my.
Damn.
I can't do spaces. Ah, okay. Well,
Great demo.
I call it a feature. Yeah, it's a great. Okay, I can't do spaces. I just do dots instead.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Anyways, I'll make a new line. Now we can say Lucas. Lucas. Damon. But actually, I don't want Damon here. So yeah, it's a bit broken still. Yeah, as you can see, but like it works pretty okay.
It works pretty okay.
Yeah,
Wait.
it does work pretty okay.
Maybe I'll call her to help me, I don't know. Life is going good. And I see your life is also going, Pig. Unable to infer array size. Wait, what? Why? Isn't it quite obvious?
Because...
Or should I just put one? Because I know it's gonna be one. But...
No, because it's in the type. You can't specify the length. You don't have underscore there. You can't have underscores in the type. Just leave it be.
when can I have underscores then? I was thought I was.
It's when it's in the equals, not in the type.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, what the heck?
You know, if you want, you can just make a constant call like const c, and that just equals to vk.c. Like, instead of typing vk.c every time.
That's
But now it's too late.
well,
So, too bad.
it's pretty lol, bro.
Too bad. Get owned.
Use of unclear identifier.
You're doing c.vk.
Yeah, I was like, wait, hold on. This doesn't look good.
c.vk, very interesting.
I do it quite often. I'm very good at doing it.
I
bro.
believe you.
Again, I did it.
Ah, great.
Great. Again, I did it. Alright, let's see what's the next thing here. Yes, this makes sense. We don't have a... We have it called vk.c. No, vk.check. And then this is same for this thing, vk.c. And then we'll... Oh, look, another one of those. Crazy. vk.check. What? A little bit of extra there. And allocate info. And then this thing. Now we're gonna have a lot of those. So we can do... it was 3. So... And here we don't have to draw image. I'm not sure I want it. But for this testing purpose, we'll just take it in like this, lol. Draw image. And I will just call it, what is it? It's vk.c, vk image. And then we can just draw image view. Now we'll pass the device. C. Alright, and then this is not even used anymore. And we go back up to the top, unused local. That was just to see the thing, and yeah. And then here in the return, the descriptor set layout. So set the descriptor set, and then descriptor pool, like so. Now we got all of those. Horrible naming, but this is gonna be changing a lot. This is just to get the first iteration up. I'm not gonna care about the naming because I'm gonna change it all. Maybe I should care about just a little bit. Let's make it a bit better. So we have the draw image descriptor. I might get back to it actually, so I might keep the ugly names so they can match with this. Okay. Now we'll have to add a little bit of shader reading. So we'll go to GitHub.
Shaded.
That's got who.
Got who.
You know when you had enough of GitHub, you go to got who. Wallenstein. Yeah. Source. Wait, where do we have the tools? Where do we load the shaders from? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Shaders?
Yeah.
Shaders.
I don't remember, where did we have the... It's
Lucas.
Tell us.
Lucas.
Tell us.
How we are going to load the shaders is through the build system, through the power of Sig.
No, because we need to be... Well, I guess it works with... That will work with hot reloading, actually.
Yes.
And
it's
damn, why do you want hot reloading so bad?
I don't know, man. This guy is
don't
on
understand
something.
how powerful it is. I'm telling you,
bro. Yeah,
Like,
you don't look.
I
Lucas, you
could
don't
live
understand
without
how
hot
shit it is.
reloaded.
Yeah, Lucas, you don't understand how much effort you have to go through just to have hot reloading. Like it ain't worth it.
you know, guys don't understand how little it is to get it working.
Yeah, you just have to like use FFI. And you got to redesign your entire
That's
thing.
just for the endpoints, bro.
Right.
You just need it for the endpoints. You guys are crazy.
I don't know.
Like everything else can
That was
still...
like maybe like a task for like later, Lucas. Maybe not so much now, Lucas.
No, that's a task for very much now. Anyways, let's get
all
those...
in forth for later, Lucas.
No. No.
Yes.
Anyways, for the shaders, so wait, through the build system?
Yeah.
That was a long, scary pause. What are you doing?
Yeah.
But... Bro.
I'm just trolling you.
Like, so we don't do it through the build system? Or what do you mean you're trolling?
Wait, we do.
Okay, but how?
Lucas, how do you compile a shader?
SpirV?
And what do you use for compiling that?
Oh,
My compiler.
Just compile with my compiler.
Hey.
Lucas.
But
Do you know what you use to compile it? You use a terminal thing called GLSLC, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and you know what you can do in the Sig build system? You can call commands. Yeah, that's right.
Well,
Yeah,
that
that's
sounds like a lot of crazy work, bro. I think we better get that
nah,
touch reloading
It's
working.
not. It's not too hard, bro.
But
The shaders. It's not too hard.
we still need to do this. Well, I guess.
Yeah. Well, no. That's just C++ being trash.
No, you still need to load the file, bro.
Yeah, you do like std.fs.cwd.open file, and then you give the path, and then yeah.
And then you okay. Okay, I
Yeah,
guess.
it ain't hard, man. There's SIG build system and SIG lib standard library.
Alright, well then I guess we'll compile with the... I already got the shader... Wait, where do I have... We're gonna go to compute shader just to get it working. Wait.
Ah,
Because it's literally
probably
just...
taking the worst one.
It's just like 12 lines more of
I want
code.
my triangles. I want my triangles.
GLSL... Was
Probably
GLSL...
never want
Was GLSL...
GLSLC for compiler.
Ah. And then assets, shaders, and that thing. Do I have to do anything else? I don't...
You can specify the out path because now it's
Ah.
gonna be a.spv here.
Yes, okay. No, I just
But
want to
that's
see it.
fine. Yes, so now we're gonna do the beautiful magical powers of the SIG build system, okay?
Wait. Well, let me just do a...
Commit.
Commit? I'm gonna do a git commit.
Git commit. Yes. Beginning with two N's, bro. It's like, I mean, it's like begin and then another N. Right? Isn't that how you spell it? Damon, you're the only like native English speaker here.
You're the only
correct
English-
us.
What?
How do you
What am I
spell
looking at?
beginning? How do you
Yeah.
spell beginning?
Begin.
Okay, I was wrong.
It's literally begin with in. Well, that double N might have been right.
So no one knows.
No. It's definitely one.
Okay, you just put like if you're unsure of something
No,
spelling,
he's
just put
right.
three of them.
It's a freaking double. It's literally begin with a ning at the end of it.
The ning.
Beginning,
Not an
Yes, it's
ing,
like-
it's a ning.
It's a Chinese begin.
Yeah, I knew when I
Beginning.
I knew when I looked at it in writing, I was like, that looks correct.
This is
Yeah.
crazy grammar
So-
lesson we're getting right now. Alright.
Yes, from a dyslexic person and an unemployed 30-year-old, and they finish to do code. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
we have...
at least we got it spelled right at the end.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright, welcome back, Pig. Alright, so where do we... Does it matter where
we.
Does it matter...
No, you put it at the end. Put it at the end. Put
At the
it
complete end of the whole thing?
Yes.
Okay.
So now we want to. Well, first of all, we want to. No. Make a function below this. Okay, make a function called compile shaders.
That's how we create a
Function.
function.
Yes. Now this takes in absolutely nothing. Okay.
No ting. Oh.
Oh, actually, we did the build. Oh my god, what is this?
You said absolutely
What?
nothing.
Ah, hell no, it's rage baiting. Actually, do a B. No, it's the B.
B.
A doobie?
Colon. Yes, and then do
A doobie software?
pointer. My bad. Pointer std dot build dot nothing else. Just build.
That.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, so now we want to do. Well, we can just do the stupid way. Just make a constant called shaders, and that you do colon, and then you do a array of strings.
Oh, you mean literally? Wait, do you mean like? What do you
Array
want?
of strings. You do square brackets const square brackets const u8. Square brackets const u8.
Huh.
Const u8, const u8, const u8, not u8.
This is some.
Yes.
Okay.
And you do equals ampersand en passant dot curly braces. Yeah, and now we just want to have the name of the shader. Not the path, is the name. Yes. And then you semicolon. Okay, now we want to do a for loop over the shaders. Shaders, and that captures shader. Okay, great. And now we do b.add what is it called? Like command? System command? Yeah, system command. And now we want to do no, it's not like that. You have to do ampersand, it's an array of strings. En passant. And then we do glslc. Yes, and then we do comma after this string. Yes. And then we can do shader. And then comma. And then we want to do the quotes. Actually, before shader, we actually want to have the path to the shader. So we want like path plus shader. Like, okay.
Yeah.
Put your cursor before the shader where we're using it.
No. Isn't this the input? Oh yeah, we also need the path to the. Is it executed from the root?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So assets, shader, bruh.
There's a trick with the SIG LSP. If you remove the slash after shaders, it will like remove this slash. Yeah, and then if you do slash now, you see, then it gives you LSP. Anyways, just keep the slash there. Just keep the slash there. It's good. And then we do plus. Yes, and then the third argument here is dash o, I guess, because output, I suppose.
Yeah.
And then we want to have the path to where we want to, put it. Okay, I guess we're putting it in the assets. I mean, you shouldn't really put compiled stuff in there.
Where should I put it?
I don't know, sig out.
I can do sig out.
sig-out/shaders. Shaders.
Do you have to create the folder, or will it automatically understand?
No. It will.
Okay.
Okay, and then we do one to the right, and then plus, and then shader. Yes.
But now
semicolon.
Now we'll have well, that name doesn't really matter.
Yeah, no. Also, this will return something, and you want to make constant. Just call it like compile_cmd. Comp. Okay, sure. And then after this, we want to do comp_cmd dot step. But wait, make a new line. We'll keep this here for now, and then we'll go back to it. You do b.default step. Yeah, dot depend on. Depend on. And then you do ampersand. And then in here you put the compile cmd dot step. Yes, and then that. Yes. Fabulous. I think that should be.
Yeah. Okay.
Not sure if it's gonna work, but I know a solution otherwise, so it's fine.
Okay. Well, I guess we can run it quickly. It should compile if it works. Why did it open, bro? Yeah, but I won't even run the command. So, init is not marked pub. But did it?
You have to add a pub.
Okay.
Well, it's gonna correct things before and then run that, I guess, because it's the order of things happening in the build system. Well,
Yes.
order in the build system doesn't really matter, so you know, okay? Order does not matter.
Let's see. Expected touring we found. Okay.
Bro really cooks here.
Yeah.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Oh yeah, but then I can't do it at here because I need the raw image.
Bang.
Yeah. Wait.
Bang. Bang.
Wait, hold on. I cannot take in the Vulkan image if I'm gonna use the.
Bang.
Bro, this is. What am I doing?
Bang.
I actually need the image
Bang.
view.
Bang. Bang.
Bang.
And I will just pass the image view straight in there. I don't need anything else.
Bang.
What the fuck?
Bang.
Okay.
Hey. Bang.
And then
Bang.
we'll have the descriptor in it.
Bang.
Bang.
Uh.
It's alright.
Let's see, descriptor
You know.
struct. No field name. I have to name that thing.
Bang.
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 Right. No, wait. Oh yeah.
What the hell?
What am I trying to do here? I don't have this anymore. I'm actually just doing these
I don't know
ones.
what you're trying to do.
Oh, it's called type. But then I have to do at.
Well, maybe not for fields. Yeah, probably not for fields. Just constants, I suppose.
Well, this is not
Constants
my.
and variables. I know, but it's fine. It's fine.
What? Why did I? So.
Congratulations.
And. What? Expected found.
What is it expecting?
Does not support the
Do amp. Keep the ampersand there. Keep the ampersand. But you have to do ampersand at both places probably. Wait, expected. What? Wait. I want to see. Oh right, you have to make a constant vk.c.vk descriptor pool size. Constant after this after yes.
Where do you want?
Before this type. Here, yes.
Ah. Damn it.
Yes.
On cast.
Bang.
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 Bang. Bang.
Bang. Bang.
Expected found. That's just a pointer cast. I can't really do anything else.
No.
Is it not?
No, because this thing is either expecting an array or a pointer. But you're
I have an array.
remove
And I'm passing the pointer.
remove the
to it.
ampersand.
But that doesn't work.
And then you do wait, let's see. Yeah, pointer cast. Here. Yes. Probably won't work, but it's fine.
I think it's too this to be that.
Bang.
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 Ignored.
VK try. VK dot check.
Oh, shit.
Try the VK check. Not just VK check, don't forget.
I
Try. You got to try harder.
Try. And this one is the
Saving
same
a constant.
Bang.
And this is also just a PTR cast.
Bang.
And this one is an integer cast.
Bro really said integer cast.
What am I supposed to say?
Intcast. There is such a big difference, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Bang.
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 And wait, yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Pointercast.
When creates pointer alignment.
Aligncast.
Bro, that I don't like now.
Yeah, yes, pretend you like it.
Value of type
Check.
is-
Check. Try. No, just ignore it. Just no, underscore equals. Because you won't really need to try in here. Huh? Is that shit? Why is the init returning an error, bro?
Because this is a free. This is not like this is still Vulkan, but it's this.
Yeah, but
different.
I mean that you're the init function.
Oh, this is. Oh yeah, why is this thing returning an error?
Yeah.
That's a.
Yeah,
that's
bro.
a-
What's this?
I don't know, bro. That's a little bit of rage baiting. Something is not going good though. Some free thing.
It ran, so now you can check if the shader is compiled, because that's that was what we were doing from the beginning.
Well, there is nothing in here though.
Peculiar. Well, is there even a -O for GLSL? See?
Dash.
I don't know, is there?
Wait.
GLSL C-H. No, I don't see any dash. Oh, there's a wait here. Write out file. Yeah, there is.
Okay. Well, then it should be fine.
GLSL assets. I'll just take this. It did a typo gradient. Gradient.conf. Nope. GLL. What if you just make the directory, you know? In case.
Try that.
New file. Yes, that's a directory. Shaders. Right. Nope. I will try now GLSL, GSL, and then I will just go through assets, shaders, gradient, and I will go to sig out, shaders.
-O, bro.
Yeah.
-O.
I'm forgetting.
What are you doing?
I'm forgetting. That's what I'm doing. And I will take the same name
Unbelievable.
and just append it at the end, bro, like so, and let's see what it does. Well, that is there, but that's the wrong. Shouldn't end with a SPRV, SPV.
SPV, yes, but it probably doesn't do that automatically. We probably have to add that to it. So you can do ++ here after this. Yes.
Hello, Mr.
SPV.
Streamer. Hello, Gondar.
.spv, not spv, .spv.
Alright.
Do not redeem the card.
Do not redeem. Let's see, I'm just gonna see that it... Now it seems to be alright. Alright. Okay, let's see. I don't know, that's... Everything there seems to be fine, but... It doesn't generate it. Okay. So, bro! Where do we call this from?
That's a good question. Don't forget to do catch unreachable.
Wait, here?
Catch, yes, catch unreachable.
That's okay, look at that.
Don't think about it one.
Unable to resolve comp time value.
I see. So our solution is the power of b.fmt.
Where?
Go to the second argument of the add command thing, Bob.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And you do b.fmt. Don't like autocorrect it, okay? Just do b.fmt and then left parenthesis. And then you want to do comma instead of the plus plus. Yes, and then the thing after shader, and then you want to encapsulate the shader in dot curly braces. It's like printf, you know, or print in Zig, I mean.
Like this?
Yes. It's like formatting. And then you do the same for the third,
So I don't add here
whatever.
where it put it. Just gonna understand.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah. No, you do it. You add that. Yes.
And
Like
it's
S.
yes. And I do the same for the other one.
Yeah.
For the out. Bro.
Bruh.
S.
You can also just add a .spv here also. Yeah. Don't forget the parentheses.
I'm still having something wrong here. Wait, what?
You can add a yes, it's a missing curly brace. Yeah. If you want, you can do comma also before here. Comma. If you go to one, right? Yes. More readable, I would say.
Yeah, but you don't like the lines. You don't want more lines.
Yeah, but in this case, it's acceptable.
Bruh.
Because the build script is so fucked anyways. And also for this kind of stuff, it's useful.
Look, there it is. I think I removed the last time one. Let's do it again. Look at that. Crazy.
Oh, amazing.
Nah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, so now we just need to read. I think shader stuff is still so related to, I will not put it in utils, I will actually keep it inside of this thing. I think. Maybe I should make a separate file for it. Load shaders or whatnot. But
One thing, Lucas, before you continue, can you just remove the shader folder inside of Sig out and just see if it like creates that folder when you build it?
Sure. Following command, no, it didn't like it.
Okay, but we can add this in the build script.
Oh, that you can do that.
Wait, no, we don't want to. Wait, but what? No, it's easy, bro. It's one line.
No. You. I need to continue with this thing. I can push, and you can.
Bro, it's one. No, I'm not making a PR for one line.
Well, you can do a little bit more if you want.
What the hell?
It's still on the server branch. I don't know why I'm on a server branch when I'm trying to do a Vulkan thingy. I gotta go do a quick BRB. Alright, I'm back.
Welcome
Right.
back.
Thank you. My head is spinning. Don't know why. Feeling kinda dizzy. Maybe I'm just tired. Maybe. Alright. Time to implement load shaders. Whoa. Pub on load shaders. I will do it in descriptors. I think they are so associated with everything else, so I will just keep them there. Or load shader module. Yeah. I think that's smarter. Should you pass in a pointer for it? I mean, I guess. Okay, sure, why not? Then we'll call it path. And then here we'll just have an array const u8 and well, that's us would prefer to take the device before that. Device vk.device. What else? The shader module. In that case, I think it looks good to take the path and then last the shader. Unless if I make the shader module a return. Can I do that? What is a shader module? It is a vk create shader module. And then I can literally just, because then it's a Vulkan thing. And then I can make the thing who called it responsible for destroying it. Well, either way it's fine if I take it as a pointer. Just one less parameter, so I guess it looks cleaner if I do this. But then I could actually have it as its own thing.
Lucas, I'll send you that code, okay? So it's one line of code. I just want you to paste it in the build script at the top of the create shader folder function.
Bro, you don't understand. Then I have to try if
It's
it
just copy
works.
paste.
And I don't.
It will work. I already tested it.
You tested it? Okay, then.
Yes.
And if it doesn't, then you will have to implement something crazy. Alright?
Well, I'm gonna do that like anyways. But sure.
Where do you want this line?
At the top. Okay. Of create the compile shaders. Top. Bro. Hey.
Alright.
Yes,
Good.
fabulous. Thank you. Okay.
Okay. And then.
I don't want people to have to create a folder, bro.
So now I can just do this. And you're telling me it will create the whole thing and we all be happy?
Well, I'm hoping so, because otherwise I'm screwed.
Okay, we're all happy now.
Okay, good.
And it will create a new folder even if... I will make it return because this is just a pointer and it's allocated through the Vulkan, so it's fine.
In the build script?
No.
Bro's loading the Vulkan modules in the build script at this point.
Bro, open a file with cursor at the end. Okay, I probably will have to do something similar like this, but in... Why do I want to open the whole thing? Like, wait till... Then it just reads the whole thing. Wait, what? Find the size of the files by looking... Okay, so it goes through the whole thing and gets the spirit expect buffer. Shorter reserve, blah blah blah. Put files at the beginning. Load the entire file, so you load for the file size and then you close it. And now you have the information. Okay. Okay, what's the equivalent for this but in Sig? Is there just...
What?
Do I also have to do it this robust that I read once the file for the size and then I like...
Nope.
No?
Nope. Okay, so you want to read a file? Welcome to today's challenge. So you can do const file, right? And then that's the colon, and then you do std.fs.file. Also, this is the best structure in the entirety of the SIG standard library. Anyways, equals. STD. No.
Wait, what equals?
Yeah, equals STD.
Wait, you're
Yeah,
for real? Like,
STD.
STD dot what?
STD.fs. Yes, it's a bit weird.
Okay.
CWD. That's like the current working directory. Dot open file. Open file. Yes, subpath is the path.
But here I can do the thing that we tried to do with the, but we couldn't do in the build system, right? Like I can go assets and then
Do what?
and then shaders. Is it just the sub path, or do I provide the whole thing?
This is a subpath from the root of the project.
So it's not including the file itself.
Well, you're probably wanting to load the compiled shader, right?
Yes, but was the well, yeah, was well, I can just
no.
do it. Yeah, I will just put path like this. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And flags you can just leave dot curly braces, right? Also, you gotta do a try after the equals for this because opening files can have errors.
No, that's crazy.
Also, you want to have do the fur now. The fur file dot close. Yes.
And then we don't.
Okay. And do you want to get the size of the file now, or?
We just need to read the whole file into a buffer so we can do the shader module.
Okay. Great. We need an allocator.
Can't I just have like static, like here, like just make a buffer?
Well, I guess you're gonna have a massive ass buffer in here. Sure.
Well, massive and massive.
Well, I don't know how big Spurvy is, but
Just a few
you
bytes,
just name it
thousands of bytes.
What type is this? What is bro writing? Is this like Sig and C, like some combined thing where you're putting the type before? Also, it's var, not const.
What?
What the hell? Yes, because it's gonna mutate. U8 equals undefined. Yes, okay. And now we can do file dot stat. Well, we don't actually need the length, so it's fine. Never mind, don't do the dot stat. Just read all. Or just, yeah, read all. And then you do ampersand buffer.
I'm just gonna.
Yes, and also this.
Could I also just do a if check here to panic if it's larger than. Well, I guess this thing will panic if it doesn't have enough.
Yeah, it will just say like out of memory.
Yeah, so I will figure it out either way.
Also, file.read all returns a integer for how long it read in the buffer.
Do we?
So you do const n equals try.
Oh yeah, we actually need it.
Yes. Equals try. Also, if you want this to be a bit nicer, you can have like file data or const or data or something here, and that's gonna be the actual like read thing if you want. Do you want that?
What do you mean const? What?
Yeah, okay, I'll just do it anyways. Do const data, or I guess const source. Source, yeah, source is good.
Okay.
Equals buffer.
Oh, you mean
and then
slicing
you slice
it.
this. Yes, 0.n. It's a bit nicer for you to use, I suppose.
Okay, yeah, okay. And then we can get rid of all of these things. And then
You see how much nicer Sig is?
Yes. All the time, every day. Sometimes not.
Yeah, okay, you found it. Okay, you renamed it. Sometimes not. What? When is that?
Pointer cast.
Pointer cast? Okay, well, the only place where you're ever using pointer cast in Sig is when you're doing C interop. So I blame the C users for this. Trust me, it's true. Like when you like my banana thing, you know,
Yeah.
I think it has like Wait, let's see. I think it has 0 pointer casts, maybe
Wait,
1
hold
though.
on. Code size. Now I'm a bit. Yeah, but it's
No,
in
my entire
bytes.
Banana app has nothing.
This is still just in pure bytes, right?
Yeah, you can just press N.
Yeah.
Yeah, but also int cast N. But like my entire Banana app has literally 0 pointer casts because it's only Sig and you don't really need pointer casts because there's other better ways to do it. Also, you got to do int cast N.
Wait, let me just figure out why this one is crying right now.
A comma.
There is a
Not
comma.
semicolon. Okay, then it is
Dot.
probably because you need a dot. Yes.
Yeah. It doesn't complain. Well, yeah, it's not a. No, both of them are U-size. So you don't have to do an in cast.
You don't need to specify dot next. Also.
Right. This is
specify next.
That's just something that they do, bro. I'm just saying that. I'm just.
Also, you know, wait, is code size a U size?
Yes.
What? What? Why? Question mark. But also, you're gonna have to do. Oh shit.
Have to do shit.
Oh, we're fucked.
What do you mean?
We are fucked. You see, P code wants an array of U32s. I just do bitcast.
Well, I can just. Wait, but read only takes a U8, right?
Yes, but it's fine because this is gonna be a pointer anyways, and it's gonna be alignment of 1, so it doesn't really matter. So just do pointer cast and it's fine.
Bitcast or pointer cast?
Pointer cast only, because we only need to cast actual pointer, but the data is fine because U8 has alignment of 1 and C is only gonna read alignment of 1 anyways, so it's fine.
Alright, and then here it's just a bk.check. Well, let's wait, hold on. What the fuck? And then we want to need this. We do that.
Don't forget to try. Also, the function does not return an error.
Right. Wait, what am I trying to do? This is a pointer, so I guess it's fine to return the thing itself, but I'm just gonna say shader module.
What?
Don't worry, I got this. I don't know what
It's not a structure. You just return the shader module. You don't have to do dot curly braces. What the hey?
What the
Remove that semicolon. You have a semicolon on the function. Yes. Also create the info is named wrong. It should be counted as Nick is here. Yes. Null is not null, pointer is null.
We have a C++ null pointer here, right?
Also, yeah, sure.
Sure.
Also, I like that the C codes were the C++ users were like, you know, we have null, but let's just make something called null pointer. It's gonna be the exact same thing.
No, they aren't.
It's gonna be named different.
They aren't actually the same thing.
Oh really? What's the difference?
I don't know, but they are not the same thing. I remember because I was arguing with a friend about this. I was like, what the fuck? I actually lost it. I was like, what?
Well, it's probably just that null pointer only is for pointers. But like, still, it's just 0. Like, who cares?
You know, in Unreal Engine, null pointer is not. It's actually like a valid address. It's fucking crazy.
Why?
I don't know, because they have like their own kind of like garbage collecting system, whatnot going on, so they have to know everything, you know.
I am disappointed in the Unreal developers. This is just Unreal.
That's funny, Jay.
No, it's so funny.
Okay, and then here now the pipelines comes into being somehow, the gradient pipeline, and that should be pretty much it. Let's just create it nasty somewhere and then we should have some nasty.
Nasty somewhere, bro. Because this is the entire code base in a nutshell.
Wait, did someone say?
Yeah. This is me when I read this code. I become a chainsaw. Because I just saw the down your door right now.
Oh no. Right, I have to make it public. Wait, it is. Am I blind? Why do I not see the public load shader? What? Oh yeah, because it's not from the actual. You don't, bro. What kind of object-oriented programming am I trying to do here?
Oh my god.
Wait. God damn.
Burn.
No.
No wait, it's not in assets. Now it's actually out at sea, right?
You know what? My bang's better. You ready?
Fucking.
Damn. Bro using the op.
He knows.
Yeah. Of course I know. Of course I know. How would I not know?
Oh, that's so funny. I guess it is a free game after all.
Yeah.
We're all hurting at one point.
Yep.
Young,
You know-
looking for a game to play. I had
Yeah, basically.
Unturned. I played that a lot.
Hmm.
You ever play Unturned?
Oh yeah, I played it
Wait,
a
I'm turning.
lot.
Oh, right.
It looks like Minecraft.
Yeah,
Plays
yeah.
like
Well,
Daisy.
I haven't really played much of it, but my brothers played it a lot, so I happened to play it like twice, maybe.
All right, whatever. Who cares about you? But Lucas, you said you played it.
Yeah,
You had fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a lot. I have played it so much, bro.
Damn.
I'm just.
So you're a fan
I
of
should install
Panda? P9 Panda.
Actually, I have no idea. I played it like when I was a kid and didn't know what life was. Not that I know yet, but you know what I'm saying.
Damn. So
We
you
know.
messed around in Seattle then, right?
Seattle?
Yeah, no. He doesn't know. He doesn't
Dude,
know.
is he lying to me?
No,
think
no.
he's lying.
Yeah, he's lying.
Oh wait,
Also learned.
oh wait, Unturned. No, I have played Unturned, but not that much. It was the predecessor to Unturned, the Roblox version that they then converted. to
Oh
Zigma.
my god, brother.
Yeah, but-
Roblox version.
No, but that game
That's
later.
where it came from.
Yeah, that's what I played.
Burn.
I'm Damon.
Your day?
Oh my god, what do you want?
Where's this
Hello.
music coming from? Oh, I'm stupid. I'm actually so stupid. I opened up Steam to look at Unturned, and it just out of
He's like-
and I was like, where is the music coming from?
It's like the piano. Da-dun, da-dun.
How do you know this, bro? Do you not have a life? You like remember the trailers, music?
Mr. Damon, do you have 20 seconds for me?
Oh, what do you need? What do you need? What do you need?
Yes, enjoy my stream. I hope I won't interrupt anything. You will hear yourself twice, but that's normal.
Drunk?
Order.
Oh
You should
my
not
God,
be
we got
worried.
a streamer. Streamer alert.
What? Maxwell.
Um,
Dude, you gotta spin it though, and it gotta go ooh yeah
What the fuck?
Yeah. We jamming.
No, it's gotta spin
Yeah.
and then it's gotta go ooh.
Alright,
no,
go
no.
like the random spinning.
I coded a whole freaking HTTP server for that.
Is this just a GIF or?
Oh, it's localhost
Yeah.
8080. Oh my god. What's he
Also-
doing? What is this?
Also, guys, it's
Nine
optimized.
estoy.
Yeah,
Optimized,
estoy.
yeah.
What is it?
Good.
Yo, is this
So-
Java? Java?
Sig.
Only
Rust.
886 transferred. I cooked.
who cares about all the minimal stuff? But what is this? What is this written in? What is this?
HTML, CSS, and
What are you using?
JavaScript. Oh, Rust.
Rust?
Okay, I mean that's okay. That's
Oh, is
decent.
that ping thing you were? Oh my god! I know.
No. That's a HTTP server.
Yeah. Well, can we connect?
No, it's localhost only.
Well, we'll fucking Docker compose it up, and I'll fucking throw it on the web.
Later, I have a VPS for that and the domain. Don't worry. But sadly, no Maxwell.cat domain because my domain provider doesn't support it.
Well, finally I can look at Maxwell in school in the future. You send me the link and I'm gonna remember it and then just open it up in school and I'll just be looking at it when I'm bored.
Also, the audio loops, it just restarts itself.
Ah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Wait, did you see my website?
Yes, I love it.
Alright.
I like the ads.
We need more. We need 30 pop-ups.
Need a break from the ads? No, we
Yeah.
removed it. No.
Well,
Need a break
right
from the
now
ads.
is-
You need to play it, Harold.
Played what? We removed it.
Sound.
We removed it. We removed.
When did it ban?
Bang.
We needed
No.
Need a break.
You know,
from
I'm
the
swapping out the
ads.
soundboards like pretty often.
Yeah,
We need
he's
more sounds, I think.
Obama. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. Plug.
Yay.
Also, Lucas,
Hmm?
not trying to be a hater or something, but like, when is the video coming that was promised to us 3,000 years ago?
Oh, it's in Christmas winter time. Yeah,
Oh, God.
that's when it's
Damn.
gonna be out.
Winter time? Well, that's on this Sunday, bro. So you have until then. They said winter time.
Sundays.
Yeah. Bro, you said winter time, and that's when it's becoming winter time. So I want that at Sunday, at midnight. Yes.
Yes.
I'm not promising anything, but I might be able to. Not really.
Sure.
Not really. I'm
Also,
not.
I know
Hmm?
the moment I waited all day, like 2 days for my package from Amazon,
Mhm.
and now it says, yeah, it will arrive on Friday.
Plug.
Yes, exactly.
I'll get some water, baby.
Yo, Harold got hydration.
He got some hydration. Let's see. I'm gonna do an init
Also,
here.
Lucas,
Hmm?
I'm guilty as charged. I didn't watch your streams lately.
How dare you?
Whatever.
Hey, shut up.
Yeah, I should be, but like every time I wanna do it, it's
Yeah.
like too much.
Too much?
Too much bandwidth you can't spare.
What do you mean
Long.
too much?
I'm used to videos. I'm not used to stream. Like I watch Twitch like 5-10 times in my life.
Oh no, the streams are mainly just to allow the possibility for people to join in and talk, because I cannot upload a video daily, but I can do a stream daily. And also, I try to keep the streams more technical and the videos more fun and short, so the videos are like more for general, like, or just for fun, people to enjoy and watch. While I also like to allow
Yes.
the opportunity for people who like actually do care about the technical stuff to join in and talk about it. So that's why I have the live streams as well. Yeah.
So
And that was Lucas'
Asking.
biggest mistake.
asking for the fans, when do we have a podcast on Spotify?
This is the podcast, bro.
We have been practicing a lot for this, actually. I'm thinking probably 2026 we are gonna start our podcast. I don't know, like how
Yeah, we're
we
gonna have a podcast every single day for the entire year.
Yeah, and we're gonna be talking about Sig.
We're only gonna talk about
Plug.
as it. That's it.
No, I don't know. I really want to do the videos, and I think I'm actually getting more time right now. I was actually I'm trying to. I was trying to actually start making video today, but I'm still like having issues with this fucking DaVinci Resolve and not. I don't know what the fuck is happening right now. I'm just trying to install GCC 12, and well, it's going great so far. That has been going on for like 4 hours now. I'm probably doing something wrong, I don't know. But yeah, I can't start DaVinci Resolve because funny reasons. I tried changing the hash.
Is there no like online thing?
What? Oh, an online video editor.
Is there no online? Yeah.
No, fuck no. I ain't doing that shit,
So
bro.
if you wanna like gonna make your life worse, then use KDE Live Editor. Trust me.
Don't even
There's-
say stuff like that, bro. This is a PG-13 channel, bro. Like, we don't say stuff like that. Caden Live? Pff, no one's using that, bro.
Why? Why
I
have
used
an init pipelines and init
multiple
background
times.
pipelines? What the fuck is going on here?
Yeah.
What the Why would you? Why not just call this and not have? What the fuck? Yeah, because I'm trying to do the same
It's
thing
C++,
right now.
they're stupid.
I'm doing the same thing, but I don't. I will. It's probably just something just stupid. I swear to God. Well,
No,
I
man,
mean,
just put it all inside of the init, and it's fine.
I think I will do that. I just want to. Maybe it's still just a temporary thing that it's a throwaway code. Am I right, Harold?
I hate tutorials that have throwaway code, man. Although I know what you mean. Throwaway code. Yes. 5 years later. Like, don't look at Wallenstein, bro. The, like, extensions that we load. Yes, it is hard-coded constant that we return. It's not... We're not even trying at this point. It's just, like, to do. And, like, no one changed it ever.
But yeah, look at this thing. I'm gonna be needing the draw image layout anyways. Why not just put this in the...
My HTTP server is using only a single dependency because I low-key need it.
Unacceptable. Sadly, we only allow 0 dependencies.
Yeah, but like I won't write a web compression from scratch. Thank you, dear sir.
No. There's probably like that in the SIG standard library.
I'm gonna
You can
actually
use
write
so
this fucking nasty, but...
I coded it in Rust. I will not.
Yeah,
touch
you just
SIG
find a way.
websites.
You know, life always finds a way, but it's actually SIG always finds a way to compile your shit.
Yeah, probably.
And TypeScript always finds a way to run your shit, even if it doesn't work.
Oh, that's crazy.
Okay, nothing against TypeScript. It's okay when you use it with Elijah.js. Yes.
Nah. No.
You never. Yeah, Elijah.js is fire though.
I think what we're really not taking into consideration here is that the fact that depending on what you want to accomplish, TypeScript could be good.
It's going.
Yeah, if you want to accomplish errors, sure.
Yes.
So,
but-
Lucas,
Hmm?
when do you be the 10th Odin user?
What?
Odin. When do you use Odin live on stream?
Oh, Odin.
Oh, it's so bad. It uses globals.
That's what I mean.
I'm crying right now. It's so
I
sad.
don't think I will use Odin. Yeah. No.
But Lucas, Odin actually has allocators like SIG has, but it's a global.
I mean,
Alright.
I have actually seen a little bit of Odin. It's not that bad, but at the same time, I don't think it's a language that I like SIG. And if I wasn't using SIG, I would be using C. Like that's just my
Yes.
two alternatives that I would prefer to use. Wait, what the fuck am I trying to do right now? I'm not gonna.
Lucas, what is the naming inside of here?
Don't worry.
compute layout.
Don't worry about
Oh,
the.
you're fixing it. It's fine.
It's actually
Also,
like
still, you don't need to specify pinning.
bro, I will keep the nasty naming because I'm not supposed to pass in this draw image descriptor. Like that's why I'm keeping it that disgusting, so I can go back and be like, what the fuck, and I'll be like, oh yeah, right, it shouldn't be.
Or you mean that the Herald Cleaner is gonna come by tomorrow?
That's a synonym basically for that, but
Yeah. Okay.
Or the
That's fair.
intern.
for the intern, yes.
The intern? No, the intern is garbage. It sucks.
Intern's good.
Nah, man, I hate the intern.
Yeah, intern's good.
Also, guys, have a wonderful night. I will probably go offline or like play
Alright.
some Armored Fortress.
Alright, good night. Bye bye.
Good night.
Sleep
All
well.
the guys in stream, do your homework and code Zig. Thanks.
Yes.
My homework? Nah.
What did I copy?
I actually
Right.
have like a thing I gotta do that like my teacher assigned everyone to like 2 months ago. I haven't written a single word, and that's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna present it in like a week anyway, so I can just like cook it up the
Yeah, so
the next week, I guess.
You still have a week to stress in one day.
Mm-hmm. Nah, I just cook it up like the week after this one.
Now we'll just call this one shader. And what's the name? Yeah, it's gonna be name, and then we have this thing. Like, all I want to see is just that beautiful rainbow shit, and then I think we're good to go. And then tomorrow, I still will leave a lot of
Your
this.
rainbow.
Yeah, a lot of this nasty stuff as it is, because I think once we start to actually make the graphics pipeline, we'll reuse this, but we can get rid of the things that doesn't make sense. I think they are also just making stuff out of right. They're just making stuff out of like this kind of shit just to make it work, and yeah, I think.
Delightful.
What the fuck am I doing? And that should be a try. And then we're gonna take the device. See. And then pipeline cache null handle. I think we can pass null here. I think that's legal. And then a null pointer there. And then we're gonna steal. This will actually change to be. Well, hold on. Yeah, now it's actually the pipeline. Is it actually not? Wait, hold on. It's not. That's the strangest shit. Usually you have to pass it by a reference, but this time it. Well, we will crash if it's not right. Let's see. And destroy shader module. I think I already added the destroy. Let's see. Yeah. Drawing the compute. Okay, now we'll get to the drawing of this thing. Let's find out if it's going to work. Go back to the draw background function with and replace. Well, I don't have that function, but I do have the same thing. So bind command line, bind pilot, bind descriptor sets, and then. And that should be it. Let's see, do they have the source code? Because I would like to see. I'm not. Well. At what point do you call all of these things? Right, but I actually need to create the pipeline as well. What I'm trying to do. Vulkan. Descriptor. Pub. Const. Pipe. Why is it lowercase line? Pipe. Like so. And then in here, probably fucked something up. No, I have returned this, but yet I don't return anything. Oh yeah, because I don't call it anywhere, so it doesn't know anything about shit. Anyways, and we can do that, we can do this, and then we can just say pipeline is equal to that pipeline is equal to pipeline. And dot layout is equal to layout. Pipeline layout. Bam. And then we can go all back to here. And I can just say const pipeline vk pipeline try init. Okay. What the hell? That should work init. Let's see, why is it not working? Okay, we'll compile and we'll probably see the thing. And then inside of draw, find a gradient drawing and then set descriptor sets dispatch. I'm wondering what it has happened before we start copying anything. I think it's gonna be around somewhere here. Let's see, what do we have? Image layout, general purpose. Image. Clear color image. There we do the clearing. Go back to the draw background function. We will replace the command clear with compute. Oh, so it's just instead of this command clear. Instead of this, I think it's gonna be that. Let's see. Gonna take it like that. Then we're gonna put it here. And we're gonna remove those things. And then we're gonna go here and we can go vk.c to that. And let's see, it's not called cnd, it's called, oh fuck. Command buffer, like so. What else?
I'm genuinely so stupid. I was like, what is that moving? Because I'm playing unturned because you guys mentioned it, and I was like, wait, I gotta play that for a minute. And yeah, I just saw something weird moving, and then I was like, what is that? And it was just two cows.
Turn the stream on. I wanna see
Yeah,
this.
sure. I was like, why are the zombies like so dormant, bro? I don't know.
Pipeline vk dot pipeline, and then here dot pipeline is equal to
Sorry,
pipeline.
my Discord is lagging a lot because this game is unperformant.
Then we can, oh yeah, we have access to self dot pipeline dot the pipeline. Dot layout. And descriptors draw image. Self dot descriptor dot draw image descriptor. And then we'll pass null. And let's see, I just want to see that passed the descriptor, yes.
He really is playing it, oh my god.
And then there's just command buffer ceiling.
Yeah, of course.
Ceiling height.
It's beautiful.
Oh, that's the, okay.
I remember this town actually. Like once I played this, it was here. There's like the ocean over there, I
Getting
believe.
like 5 frames.
Yeah, I have like 40 frames usually, but when I'm streaming it's a bit lower, but I don't really care. I'm not too serious about this anyways.
Are you playing on like a server with people?
Nah, it's offline.
Oh yeah, take a peek. Go to the military, it's to your north. Can you open a map? What do you mean no chart found? Like, what the fuck is that?
Am I retarded?
Nah, you won't find anything good in the town here. Just fucking
Extent.
run north up the road. Like, the way you're facing right now, like, you don't gotta go to the road, but just, like, go to the trees. You'll either run into, the fucking hazard spot or the military base. I think military base might be to your south, but I can't remember which town you're. Careful, those ones can bleed you.
Right, moment of truth then.
They can what?
It won't work because
Bleed you. I mean, you slowly die until you bandage up.
let's see, perimeter of opaque type Vulkan device not allowed. Pipeline.
Glue? Sniff it.
Yeah.
Wait, what map are you playing? You playing fucking... you're not playing Seattle. You're playing fucking PE or PI. Prince Edward Island or some
Yeah,
shit.
it's the good old classic, man.
Device, layout, and shader module. So, the device. Then I need the layout. And then the...
Eh,
Well, that's a typo there, but that's fine. Shader. What did I pass wrong here? Layout.
Why is my jumping so delayed?
Where's that lay? Oh, that's a pipeline layout. Wait, what the fuck? Supposed to take.
Damon, how do I start it?
1 second. It's got no gas.
Oh, that's just a pipeline layout.
No, it's got gas, but it's got no battery.
How do I live it?
E? Space?
E. Right, but the north, isn't that towards that direction?
No, I thought you were playing Seattle. Like, I have no clue where the hell you are.
Yeah, I'm doing
Okay.
something stupid here.
Oh, that won't do you much.
Set layout, structure layout. Yeah, I was right, but I did.
Take the bike. E. Alright,
Okay, I can
just
see
keep
why
going
this game
until
is
you find a
popular.
military. Huh?
I can see why this game is popular.
Why?
There's bikes, bro.
Okay, definitely not
Just
this. Well, what's that
fine.
out there? That's the prison.
Come
Nah, you won't find
time,
anything out there in the
32.
prison.
No?
Nah, nothing.
Nothing.
Damn, like
We're frauding.
in PE, it's like you follow the road and then there's like it'll go out to like a bridge that goes to the ocean, but the bridge is cut off. Like those are like they'll have like some military stuff there, a tent or two.
What would I want?
And I think there's a
you
base.
could
But
do.
there's an
but,
airport somewhere, I believe, that has pretty
the
good loot on
airport's
this
got
map.
garbage. No.
What?
Anything civilian's garbage. You only go there to get like raw materials when you start playing the game, and you need like crafting supplies, because then all that stuff gives you all like the components you need. But if you're just trying to
But
like get a gun, and
is
shoot some
Seattle a better
zombies-
map? Should I play Seattle?
Yeah, Seattle's got everything in really condensed. PE's kind of big.
Okay. Well, I guess quit. Quit the desktop. No, exit. Right. Exit. I don't know. I just remember PE as like the good old classic, but I don't know. Maybe not.
I've barely played PE. It's like every time I jump on it, it's not good. Like Russia's the best one, but it's big. Russia's big. No, I've played. Oh, it's Washington, Seattle. Yeah, Washington, Seattle.
Right, yeah, I think I remember Russia. Isn't there like a mansion at the end of the map, almost? And there's like a big, like radioactive forest or something?
Yeah, there's a mansion. There's a bunch of mafia gear, and you get the.
Yeah. I remember I played there also once. Yeah.
No, I used to run a big Discord. I had like 1,000 or something people in there when I ran my unturned servers, and I had a modded map that I did a bunch of customizing in because they got a map editor in the game here. Made it like a big safe zone. But you should have put the chart on. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. See it? Fucking this.
Oh,
yeah.
sorry if you hear my dogs, by the way.
The vector of
whatever.
float
Yeah.
type.
I can't
no,
help with shotgun
turn
right now
around.
because.
No, don't go in there. Yeah, go that way. Yep.
No, is this place not good?
No, there's nothing. It's just random fucking fishing check. If you go straight this way, you hit the golf course, and then if you keep like following the golf course, there'll be a crashed helicopter. It's got like military loot, easy to grab. And zombies don't follow you forever. They'll just like they stay in their spawn zone.
Not gonna lie, they're pretty dormant.
Yeah.
Not very hard to beat either.
It's the PvP is really what you want to be playing. Like the zombies are just kind of like a little addition.
Nah, I guess yeah. Well. I think I've never played Washington if I'm gonna, or like Seattle.
This map's small.
Yeah, okay. Wait, is this one with the big
right,
city?
Left. Yeah, it's got the big city in the middle.
Yeah, and there's like a bus, right? Like a bus vehicle.
Buses everywhere.
Okay, I don't know. I remember like I was playing in there. I just put a bunch of like traps on top of the bus, and then I ran over a bunch of zombies.
From where you're looking at it, like just keep going straight. It's a little bit of a trek, but don't
beat that guy?
Don't get distracted.
But he has a pretty nice orange clothing.
I'd say hazmat suit. You can get the railgun in there.
Should I get that? No, I guess.
I can't remember if
why the
you can just
fuck, Harold? Why can't I not just do this casting right?
Let's see. Wait, my shit is lagging so much it takes forever to load. Wait. What are you trying to cast though?
So I run this, and then it says Flutter must know the result type, right?
You have to do ask.
Yes, but I try to do that, and then it doesn't like it either. Like, oh, what the fuck? Cancel. If I
you have to do ask like 32 or something.
Like if I have this looks fine. Then I run it, and then it's like. Then it wants it to be a float, but it finds a U32, right? Which is weird, because this is not... Or is it?
Wait, go back to the code. Also, instead of doing sdmath.seal, just do @seal. Like, don't, like, try to just use the inbuilt ones, not the math ones. I know it's just a wrapper, but, like, it's just ugly as hell.
Okay. Oh no, never get expected vector or float types found U32.
Yeah, but it's because you want to you see the division. You want to divide the floats, right? Right.
I want actually the integers.
What you gotta do is like
I need to pass integers.
You want to divide the integers.
I want.
What do you want to divide? You want integers?
Yeah, I need the integers in here.
Well, if Seal only likes unsigned integers, you can, I guess, cast it into an integer and then back.
It supports floats and vectors of floats. So I need to do it to floats and then cast it back to integers. You're kidding.
I guess. Well, that's how life is sometimes. I gotta stop watching your stream because so much. Okay. Like, how is this game so unperformant, man?
I don't know where you're going. Go to your settings. Just turn everything into potato. It's not gonna change anything.
Okay. Load clutter. Maybe that's ragdolls, debris. Is train transition off? Yeah, put that shit off. Yeah, now this is snow glitter. No. For render mode. What are the? Oh my god! Can't they just have a deferred recommended?
Yeah, there you go.
okay. I mean, like, it's slightly better. Well, barely actually. Why is deferred like the not automatic if it's recommended? For okay, well I guess I have this one. Well. What is the time even? No, I got to sleep in 9 minutes.
You have to?
Or you want
Well,
to?
I would like to. Want to. Forage? I didn't know this game had foraging.
Yeah, you can. It's got like some
type.
nice crafted. You got high.
Okay. Yeah, also my controls are like inversed, but only the like moving WSAD, you know. But that's fine.
Fine.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Well, I'll have another one. Yeah, yes. Okay, now it's
it goes
double
the right way
reversed.
again.
Now my
Stop
mouse
for a
is
second,
reversed instead.
Alright, that way? Yeah, go left. That way, yeah.
This
go
way?
that way.
No.
Nope. Yep. But more to the left a little bit. Yeah, a little bit more. There you go. Yeah. Alright, just kind of like pull one zombie at a time and beat him to death.
Oh wait, there's the helicopter. Yeah.
Sometimes it'll spawn on like a big guy, and then I don't know, you might have to log out and log back in.
That seems to be fine.
Yeah, just lure them one at a time, and then hopefully you can see the loot. Like it's nothing's in boxes or anything. Everything's just on the ground, like as an item. So you should be able to like see. Like, I don't know, it's a little blurry for me, but you might be able to see like a gun on the floor. But these guys dropped all the same loot too.
Okay.
Is he?
Oh no, it panicked.
I mean, I can
Beware.
probably take them all, but
That's not very helpful. It's just a segfault.
bro, these zombies are hella easy to kill.
Oh, is that a gun right there on the hood? No, it's a brick.
Yeah.
Fucking.
Oh, this guy has like a tool belt or something.
Oh, hey.
Yo.
First item was shirt.
Yellow smoke.
Nothing. Smoke. You can throw it.
Yeah, wow, this smoke is so great.
Oh, that's crazy.
Okay.
Damn, nothing. Oh, knife. Nice.
There's a knife.
Nice. Any pants?
But that's kind of the same thing.
I don't know. You can take a few steps back out and then like exit and come back in. Like, don't just stand where the zombies spawn.
Okay, what do you mean? Oh, should I log in or
Back out a little bit more.
back out?
Well,
It's gonna
you're
take
right.
until
Right
tomorrow.
here. And then exit and then load back in.
I should probably even see if we'll go to the connection. So this thing happened.
No? Single player? Yeah. How do I get back to where I was playing?
You just pick the world again.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, nice.
That's interesting. Oh, play fly. Oh, I see. Okay, I mean that's interesting.
Let's see. Main Vulkan init descriptor init. Vulkan layer. Why am I not getting any Vulkan validations either? Create descriptor set layout. There it goes wrong. Okay, but here, why aren't my Vulkan validation layers even saying anything weird? Like, this is annoying as hell. They should, I have them on verbose. They should message me everything. They should tell me when something gets created, but I don't get anything. That's stupid. Anyways. It's inside the init, and then it was inside of the descriptor init here. And then create set layout.
Hey, some armor.
Yeah.
Listing fail. Info, and I don't know why, and I swear to God it's because I have no idea. Where's my
knife?
What does my validation layer say?
I don't know. I guess you got a couple starting items. You can just
Ah,
grab
it's
the
fine.
other knife and
Let's see what
Right.
could be
Grab the other
wrong.
knife.
That is
Get
correct.
something
That has
aside
to be.
right there. And
Doesn't
then
have
I would
to be
start heading
correct.
like into town or something.
Hmm.
The city's got a military spot like in the center, so you can
Right.
grab everything over there.
Don't care about this,
Unless you
but
want to reset again.
This could be wrong.
Nah. But I'm probably gonna go now anyways because I gotta sleep.
Harold, before you go, how can I get so that
Harold,
actually
before
my
Lucas?
descriptor, my layers, works? Because I don't get any information when I try to compile it, or when I run, they don't tell me anything.
They don't tell you anything? Well, are you even like running those functions or calling the descriptor set
yeah.
creation? Or you...
I don't even
Okay.
get what information went into the instance. Like I can see the structs that actually got passed.
Do you have layers on like verbose or
Yeah, I do have them on
do you have verbose looking?
Yes, I do.
Are you sure about that?
Verbose is true.
Well, I guess nothing's going wrong.
No, because I don't even get the information that I created an instance with what kind of crate info went past. I want to see like everything, but I don't see it. I should be able to see that, right? Because I am assuming that the crate info
Are
is
you
not.
passing the right layers? What layers are you giving it? Well, isn't
Uh,
there like another one you want there?
Might be that I need another one as well. Validation layers. Oh yeah, wait, is
Yeah. Yeah, there's like another one, I believe.
here. Yeah, I want this one. No, that's for. No, it's
Yeah.
just. No, that's for XR. This is the only thing that exists for.
Oh. That's weird. Well, I don't really know.
Oh, that's.
But I'm going to go to sleep now anyway, so see you later.
See you later. Why am I not seeing those damn validation layers? Bruh. Well, just this.
We want some validation layers.
Let's see, are the error verbose? Yes. Still nothing. And this is like super hard because I don't know where I'm at. Well, I do know from running the GTB, but I shouldn't have to run that in order to see it. And then I would like to see this, like what am I? Oh, I need those layers. I cannot see what it actually passes otherwise. Except adding prints, but that's just so dumb when it already has the feature. Ah. Why? Maybe I should just run the int. No, I don't want to run the intern. Maybe.
Yeah, run the intern.
I will just do a guitar.
Intern. Hey man, you might as well just kind of get with the the future, but like just use it to like spike up your productivity. Not so much.
It's
vibe it.
No, fuck. I wanna learn. That's the point.
Well, you're gonna learn. It's just you're gonna skip the part where it's like painful.
Well, that's true now, but usually it's like not.
I think the way that you're wanting to use it's perfectly fine. Like right when you hit this moment where you're like, damn, my brain ain't braining. And you just need like someone else. Like Harold's not here to help you. Like this is your Harold replacement. You should run the npmi like G Anthropics like that. Damn, I can't even remember what it said. IG, yeah. See if you can copy and paste it. Yeah, there you go.
I think I had to run it with sudo, but let's see.
Maybe not for an update if it already exists.
Maybe not. Oh, look at that.
It
error access.
Access.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do it with the.
Now I'm gonna get hacked by an AI.
Nah, you ain't that important.
Nah. They look at me and they be like, yeah, you ain't got nothing. Nothing. You ain't even anything. You ain't nothing.
And then before you ask it whatever you're gonna ask it, do Shift Tab twice.
Shift Tab twice. Plan mode. All right.
Plan mode. All right. And then press Tab once, so because you got thinking off. You want maximum. There you go.
The current project. I don't see my Vulkan layers when I run Sig. Run. Straw. Oh, it's LL echo no Vulkan configure found. Sure.
Oh my god, I'm muted. You got Vulkan on your OS somewhere, right?
Yeah. Otherwise, I would never see anything. Let's see. Implicit. Okay.
Is that where Vulkan actually is? It's checking the actual API to make sure like it's gonna do the correct thing. See, this is kind of what I mean by like this is a little bit more better than the conversational ones because it's like it's gonna go and see what it's working with.
Yeah.
All right, now take a look here.
Vulkan validation layer. Source main C with validation layer for a function call. However, validation layer may not be installed on your system. Well, that should be installed. Install Vulkan validation layers package using. That's weird because I've been using it before, but create. That's weird. Okay.
You could say no and then tell it like what's up.
Oh.
It didn't do the new feature I was talking about either, where
It's quite nice actually that you can like ask and just check for the specific commands. You don't have to provide back like ask it this and it says run this and you paste it in, you ask this and you paste it in. But I shouldn't have to install it. Like I already have. Wait, or was it on Windows? Because I haven't Well, let's see. It will come back to me right now and say if I even have, but I'm pretty sure. Well, I did use them for the OpenXR one as well. VK instance chrono sig build run. Okay, let's see. Do that. Okay, let's see what it says. Plan to enable validation layers are installed and working. You can see VK messages. Your debug is configured but only shows basic messages. To see structured information, we need to configure validation layer settings. Create Vulkan layer settings file. Create. Okay, configure it to enable verbose output details, structure information, include setting. Enhance debug message. Update your debug message. Include info server. Enable all messages. Validation performance general. Sure you get all the details struct to include info. Okay, wait. I don't think this is trust and verify. Wait, let me see that actually.
I don't know. If you press yes, it's gonna make some edits like in your local folder. So I'd like.
Oh wait, I don't actually have an info. Just add the info field for now to the debug. Sure. I think that should be enough. I don't think it was info. Let's see. Debug severity info bit. Yes. Yes. That's what I want. Yes.
Look at that! It just like inserted the code.
Yes. What is this now?
Oh.
Run SigBuild run. Sure. I think it did a little bit of a mismatch there, but that's okay. Yeah, it will probably find out what it's actually. I think it even says here what it did wrong. Let's see. No? Oh yeah, we do. Oh. Yeah, no. Actually, that's fine. Because what we will find. Whoa. Will it run GDB? No fucking way it will run GDB. No fucking way it will run GDB.
What is GDB?
It's a very like no fucking way, bro. No way.
What?
But no, we cannot remove validation layer. Now, okay, now it's okay, whatever. Anyways,
It's
GDB is
it's temporarily disabling them to see like.
GDB is just the most basic debugger you can use, and I was never thinking that the AI would start using it to find out like issues. Like it's so horrifying or horrific to read because it's literally just telling you address locations and maybe some tokens that if you install them. And yeah, you can find out a lot with it. I suck at it, but I would love to be great at it. But I never thought that this thing. Oh, whoa, what the fuck? Const debugger message. Only create debug message if validation are enabled. Well, they should always be enabled. Oh no.
Damn! You pressed auto accept. Press tab. Damn! After you press run, press tab once so it stops fucking cooking up nonsense.
Yeah. Wait. Just no. I want to see quickly just a few things.
So
That's
you got
it.
accept edits on. Do you want to turn that off? That's not in your favor.
Plan
Press
mode.
tab once. There. No, one more time. Well, I guess you can do plan mode, but I don't know if you're just no, go back. One more time. One more tab. One more time. No, not tab. Shift tab. And then tab to get thinking back on. There you go.
Okay.
Now you plan for the original question. Damn, it made changes. You can probably Control Z.
Actually, I will just. The only thing I need It's this, basically. But just a little bit tweaking here because it did it wrong already. I will just do a git stash. I pushed, so I should have everything right. Yeah. Yeah, back to it. Yeah, it's back to the normal thing. Alright, then we can go in here. And verbose warning, and then we can have if config that severity is dot, and now we'll also add another one, which will be dot info bool equals true. Now we should have info. Then we'll just do this thing. Go down here to this. Pipe it. And yes, L0. Like so. And then we can, now it will complain in the main. It should complain in the main. Oh no, because I have default value for it, so it won't complain. Info equals true. Let's see. I still didn't get the information. I was actually expecting that now it would be there. Ah, well, we'll start again. Well, at least I got it. Let's see. And I do have validation there. Okay, it's just another. Get validation layers. Vulkan.
Shit. Before you,
Hmm?
damn. If you can, I wonder if you can copy and paste this after you're done typing it. You're gonna want to do /clear before you start something new, because now that you changed a bunch of shit. There you go, /clear. No, /clear. All right, now paste. Yeah, if you watch that short I sent you earlier, even that guy knows it's like they're just stateless machines. They take input output.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It'll cost like more tokens to like have it relearn understand everything. But like, don't worry about that. It's, like I said, I haven't even hit the limit for this thing, so.
Yeah. I don't know. Like, also, doesn't it cost more to pass the whole conversation every time?
That's just, like, it's the money is like not an issue because like I'm paying $3 a month and we're still yet to hit the limit. So it's,
no, I mean in the sense of is it more tokens to re-scan everything or to just repass the whole conversation?
Yeah, look at that. It's already at 68,000 tokens.
Damn.
Just but like I said, like if you were to because like you could either get the subscriptions like I do, or you could pay by the token, which I don't know why people would, but see what
Just trying to do in the Vulkan. I checked to enable validation features for a called out feature validation extension null. I mean, I can just revert it, but this looks a bit funny. But sure, let's go for that.
It'll probably try to build and then realize it's like it's gotta find the.
Well, there's already an error. If you enable validation features, these are new for me. Oh, what the fuck? Okay.
What is it?
Sig build.
Just,
Oh my god.
what did it do?
Yeah. Shit. Okay. Sure. What the fuck am I reading there? Holy shit. I might not actually go on with this. This looks so weird. Okay, okay. Well, that's I mean, it's I mean, it's actually kind of nice if you think about it.
I'm not too sure. I got no idea what the zig crap is C, so I'm just kind of. It built. Did it say it built?
It build. Yeah, but
Oh.
providing comprehensive output. Okay. Well, let's see.
Okay.
Nice. This is what I wanted. Yes, yes. Oh, you got it. Why is it looks to be information severity. Warning. Okay, so okay. Message. But this extension is intended to support by application. Strongly recommend that it's otherwise avoided. Attempt to enable extension debug utils. Yeah, that's just okay. Attempting to enable deep. Okay,
I still don't know what the hell's going
this
on.
extension has by the. Okay, that's fine. Best practice extension. Okay, attempting to enable extension validation, but this extension is intended to support you. Strongly recommend. Yeah, okay. Cronus validation layer. Validation enable practice extension, blah blah. Disable none. But I still don't get the information that I'm actually trying to find that went wrong. Because these are all just validation layer stuff, just warnings about them, but not about actually didn't get the information I want. It's actually provided the wrong stuff. Bruh. What was the grade info struct? Just curious to see also, like, did it change anything?
I think it only added 3.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Validation number 3.
Okay, and I haven't had those before. Maybe I could actually see in the Minecraft clone that I created. Maybe that would help me better. Sure. Minecraft Vulkan source. And then the main. That. We're gonna go into app run. And that's just my app. Let's be up here. Let's see. Whoa. Okay. Let's see here. Where do I create the actual... I have forgotten where I create the actual instance. This is the constructor, but I cannot create... If it's... Where do I actually create the whole... Is it device I just call the whole thing? Here's the debug callback at least. Great, yeah, okay, I assume it's probably here. Yep. And... Where do I put the flags for the layer? Enable validation layers. Enable validation layers. Let's see. Yes. Okay, and where do I put these? Check validation layer support. Enumerate instance layers properties. That's actually a good thing. Where do I set these from? Where are they even coming from? Do I have at the bottom? No.
Some library.
But they have...
Set up debug messenger.
Like, where do they come from? They're not even a parameter, they're just validation layers. Bruh. Can't even find where they come from. Export. Why would you export that? Sure. I'm not too... It's just temporary, as long as it doesn't write them permanently. Like this thing, for example, enable validation layers. They're used here, but they're not coming from here. Okay, but where are they coming from then? Because they have to exist somewhere. Oh, but it could be in the header. Bruh. Export, bro, now it's going super crazy. Well, it's still just temporary for this console, so. Yeah, they can exist there. Oh, that means I could have them defined in the header. Not the shaders. Where's my headers? Includes there. And then it's device here. There we have that. That's literally all I got. And that works there, fine.
Find it. What is it?
So that's funny that this doesn't work, because it's like it's literally is there.
Is there such thing as STD debug? It might be cooking here.
The STD debug.
Or not cooking.
STD debug that print exists. Yeah, it's learning how it actually works. Just. Okay. Up in no, but now it's bro. Now it's just creating bro. Okay. I think I will just git stash it.
Yeah, just
export.
Oh, it built. It built.
Those things are fine. It's supposed to crash there, but the thing is that I'm gonna find out why it crashed there, but for that I need the validation layers. Which yes, okay, it did a workaround. It made a custom print. This I could have done myself. Bro, it did a custom print. Because now I want to see it for all of the things, not just that specific thing. I think... Why?
You can branch this?
No, it's just so much it has done. Yeah, like, look at this. This is what it does. It, like, this I could have done myself manually. Like, why? No.
Well, yeah.
Not even worked. But what I will do instead is... I don't know. I guess we'll sleep on it. Add it to tomorrow. It's something simple as just a flag or a callback function, I swear. Tomorrow we'll fix that and we will actually see... What am I trying to do? We'll actually see these shaders come and we should be able to see this thing. And then we'll not set up GUI, maybe we'll... I don't think we should, because hot reloading should be taking care of all of the things. So we'll go push content and graphics pipeline, and then we should start having shit. Yeah, that's the plan. I think I will now hit the bed.
Bedtime.
Good night, everybody. Bye-bye.